Picture this. It's late, your mind's racing, your body's tired, and yet you can't unwind. You're scrolling, pacing, thinking, trying to shut it off. You tell yourself it's just stress and too many deadlines, too many what ifs. But have you ever wondered why your body reacts the way it does? Why your chest tightens, your heart races, your patience disappears? Here's the truth that no one really teaches us. Stress isn't just emotional, it's chemical. It's your body's biochemistry sending signals that something's off. And what you eat, every bite, every sip, has the power to either amplify that stress or ease it. Food isn't just fuel, it's information. It tells your body how to feel. We often separate diet from emotion, as if what's on our plate has nothing to do with what's on our mind. But your brain and your gut are in constant conversation. The gut is lined with 100 million neurons, your second brain, sending and receiving emotional signals all day long. When you eat processed, sugar-loaded, nutrient-empty foods, you're not just feeding hunger, you're feeding anxiety. You're telling your nervous system, stay on high alert. But when you nourish yourself with whole, balanced foods, rich in magnesium, B vitamins, omega-3s, you literally change your inner chemistry. You tell your body, you're safe. Stress management isn't about escape, it's about alignment. It's not just about meditation, deep breathing, or journaling, it's also about stabilizing your biology. When your blood sugar spikes and crashes, your mood does too. When you're dehydrated, your cortisol rises. When your gut is inflamed, your brain feels foggy and restless. And yet, so many people chase peace through willpower when the first step is on their fork. So the next time you feel the world pressing against your shoulders, pause before you reach for comfort food. Ask yourself, what does my body actually need right now? Because peace isn't found in ignoring hunger or indulging it blindly. It's found in understanding that the way you eat can either be chaos or calm, and that choice starts with awareness. When life feels heavy, your body quietly shifts into survival mode. Adrenaline floods your system, cortisol, the stress hormone, rises, and digestion slows. Your body doesn't care about gourmet meals, it's focused on escape. That's why stress makes you crave sugar, caffeine, and carbs. Your brain wants quick energy, fast dopamine, anything that feels like relief. But those foods, as comforting as they seem, are like emotional short circuits. They give you a high, then leave you emptier than before. The key to breaking that loop is understanding what your body actually needs when you're stressed. It's not sugar, it's stability. It's not caffeine, it's calm energy. It's not restriction, it's nourishment. And that's where a meal plan for stress relief comes in. It's not about counting calories, it's about supporting your biology so your mind can rest. Start your day with grounding foods. Breakfast that anchors you instead of spikes you. Think complex carbs, protein, and healthy fats. Oatmeal with walnuts and blueberries, eggs with avocado toast, or Greek yogurt with honey and seeds. These foods release energy slowly, keeping blood sugar and mood steady. Pair that with hydration, herbal tea or lemon water instead of a triple espresso, because dehydration often disguises itself as fatigue and irritability. Lunch should be about balance. Foods rich in magnesium and B vitamins to calm the nervous system. Try quinoa with grilled salmon and leafy greens, or a lentil bowl with roasted veggies and olive oil. Snack smart, reach for almonds, dark chocolate, or banana with nut butter. These small bites nourish your brain chemistry, boosting serotonin and dopamine naturally. And dinner, make it restorative. Focus on foods that help your body shift out of fight or flight. Think turkey, chamomile tea, sweet potatoes, spinach, or brown rice. These foods increase tryptophan, the amino acid that converts to serotonin, helping you relax and sleep better. This isn't about perfection, it's about listening. Because when you tune in, you start noticing patterns. How caffeine keeps you wired too long, how sugar crashes make your anxiety louder, how skipping meals amplifies irritability. Food becomes feedback. And once you learn to feed your calm instead of your cravings, you stop reacting to stress and start responding to it. What does a day of stress-relieving nutrition look like? Imagine this not as a diet, but a rhythm, a way to bring calm into motion. Morning. You wake up, drink a tall glass of water with a squeeze of lemon to rehydrate and wake your system gently. Instead of coffee on an empty stomach, you start with breakfast, a bowl of warm oatmeal topped with chia seeds, berries, and a spoonful of almond butter, or maybe scrambled eggs with spinach and whole grain toast. It's grounding, not overwhelming. The warmth soothes your nervous system before the day's chaos begins. Midday. Around lunch, stress usually peaks. You're juggling tasks, answering emails, maybe skipping meals without realizing it. Here's where balance matters most. Go for something colorful, fresh, and satisfying. A grain bowl with quinoa, grilled chicken, roasted sweet potatoes, and a drizzle of olive oil, or a lentil salad with leafy greens, nuts, and a bit of feta. These foods stabilize blood sugar, and the slow-release carbs tell your brain, we're safe. Afternoon. That 3 p.m. crash, that's not fatigue, it's chemistry. Instead of reaching for energy drinks or cookies, reach for magnesium-rich snacks. A handful of pumpkin seeds, a banana, or even a square of dark chocolate, 85% or higher. Magnesium helps calm the nervous system and reduces the production of cortisol. Evening, this is when your body needs to unwind. A warm meal like salmon with sautéed greens and brown rice, or a chickpea curry with turmeric and coconut milk, nourishes both body and mind. Add chamomile or lemon balm tea before bed. These herbs gently relax your muscles and cue your brain that it's safe to rest. This simple rhythm, water, balanced meals, mindful snacking, becomes your daily armor. It doesn't remove stress, but it gives your body the tools to handle it. You're not fixing anxiety, you're building resilience, one meal at a time. Because when your body feels supported, your mind doesn't have to fight so hard. And the beauty of this is, it's not about giving things up. It's about choosing foods that give back, foods that nourish your chemistry, stabilize your hormones, and remind your body that peace is its natural state. The part no one talks about, it's not just what you eat that calms you, it's how you eat. You can have the most perfect stress relief meal on your plate, but if you're eating it while scrolling emails, rushing, or mentally somewhere else, your body still thinks it's in survival mode. The nervous system can't digest when it's in defense. That's why mindful eating isn't a trend, it's therapy. It's the art of reminding your body, you're safe now. When you slow down, when you breathe between bites, taste your food, notice texture and warmth, you activate your parasympathetic system, your rest and digest mode, blood flows to your stomach instead of your muscles, cortisol drops, digestion improves, and suddenly, food stops being a reaction. It becomes a ritual, a form of grounding in a chaotic world. So make your meals sacred, turn off the noise, eat at a table, not a desk. Even if it's just for 10 minutes, make that moment intentional. Bless your food with gratitude, not religiously, but emotionally, because gratitude too changes your biochemistry. It lowers inflammation, boosts serotonin, and rewires your perception of stress. Over time, you'll notice something profound. You'll stop chasing stress relief as an external goal, because you'll start feeling it internally. Your body, your mood, your thoughts, they begin to synchronize. You start to trust yourself again. The cravings fade, the fatigue lifts. The world doesn't feel lighter, you do, and maybe that's the quiet power of this, realizing that relief doesn't come from escape, but from nourishment. You don't have to fight your stress, you just have to feed your peace. So the next time life feels like too much, don't reach for control. Reach for connection. Sit down, breathe, and feed yourself like you deserve to feel well. Because true stress relief doesn't start in the mind, it starts on the plate, and it ends in the soul. If you found value in this video, leave a like, subscribe, and let's grow together. Nourish and rise.